Have you thought about these 29 places to disinfect in your home? Probably not. Hi guys, my name is Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you the top 29 places to disinfect your home during this coronavirus outbreak or when you're just sick in general. Alright, so car keys or your keys in general. We use them every single day, and touching them and other people touching them, your kids touching them, putting it in and out of your bag. Disinfect your keys, your car fob. The next one is going to be your cell phone, or which is pretty common sense, everybody has that, or your regular phone. Some people still have regular phones. So disinfect your cell phone and your regular phones, even your kids' cell phones, your kids' like play toys. The other things you're going to do is disinfect your handles. So not just door handles, you're going to want to disinfect every handle. So your kitchen appliances like your oven handle, your refrigerator handle, your microwave handle, your dresser drawer handles, all those things we touch every single day, multiple times throughout the day. And if we're sick, like those are a lot of common places that we just don't do. The next one you're going to want to do is light switches. Light switches seem, like on the wall, seem very common sense, but the other thing that we overlook all the time is lamps. Do we have lamps? So, or even on the ceiling fan, the light switch that you pull down, that is so commonly overlooked, and we're constantly doing that. And if we're sick or if we're not feeling good, and other people are touching that, we're spreading our germs. So disinfect, like even the lamp shades, or the ones that you can just like touch. A lot of kids have them. You just touch it and it pops on. Those are so commonly overlooked. So the next one you're going to want to disinfect is going to be your work or your school badges. Now is the perfect time because all the kids are home from school. If they have like name tags they're going to do, disinfect them, wipe them down. Your work badges, take them out. I'm sure everybody has a name tag or something. Disinfect that stuff. The next one is going to be credit cards. We are constantly giving credit cards to people buying stuff. Like we don't even have a lot of money nowadays. Like everyone's just using credit cards and plastic. Disinfect those. When was the last time you disinfected your credit card, guys? You're sticking them in and out of machines. You don't know who's touched that. The next one is money, actual coins. Wash your coins in soap and water. Do you know how many millions of people touch those coins? Disinfect your money. So the next one is going to be your faucet handles. Your faucet handles in your bathroom, in your kitchen. Just disinfect them. I mean, it's pretty common sense, but the next one is going to be writing utensils. Writing like pens, crayons, pencils. Just use those. And then the next one is going to be office supplies, other office supplies. So like your stapler, your tape, your glue gun, your crafts. So this is going to be, during this outbreak, everybody's going to be probably doing a lot of crafts at home with their kids. You're going to want to disinfect like your glue, all that stuff before your kids start touching it, and maybe even after. The next one is going to be garbage lids, the top of your lid of your garbage, and not just that, but if you take your stuff, if you live like in a city or in the suburbs, you're going to take your stuff out to the bins, disinfect the bins, outside of the bins. You know how many people touch that stuff? Like people walking by, putting stuff in, just disinfect it. The next one is going to be your cords, your cell phone chargers, your auxiliary cord in your car. Do you like people in and out, your friends using your auxiliary cord? Disinfect it. The next one is going to be your brushes. So like your hair brushes, the handles, your animal brushes. We don't think about doing all that stuff, right? We just don't. It's just, we throw it back, just disinfect it. It's just easy. The next one is going to be your jewelry. How many times do you guys wear this stuff out in public? So get some good jewelry cleaner, disinfect it, your earrings, watches, bracelets. You're setting your hands down on stuff. You don't want to get that all disinfected, so disinfect those things too. So the next one's going to be your sunglasses, usually, or your glasses in general. A lot of people wear that. Being in Hawaii, we're constantly wearing sunglasses, so just disinfect those really quick. The next one is going to be your laptops, your tablets, and I know everybody has a laptop or tablet or a Kindle these days, so your kids are going to, wash all their stuff, disinfect this. This is the perfect timing since everyone is quarantined. You want to disinfect all this stuff sooner than later. Then for ladies or some males, makeup brushes, all your makeup bag. If you're traveling, like you take that stuff, powder your nose in the bathrooms and stuff, you're gonna want to disinfect all those things. So obviously common sense, all your kids' toys, you're gonna want to do that, your Legos, like all just kids' toys in general, anything that they're gonna put in their mouth. Obviously clean your floors, guys. Like, you're walking in from outside, you don't know what you've brought in to your house. Just you want a big, healthier and cleaner environment. So the next one's gonna be your car. And this sounds so like common sense to clean, but when was the last time you disinfected your car? Comment below. I wonder how many people have disinfected their car. I have, but so your car handles inside and out. Like, you know how many times you get in and out of your car, or in your steering wheel, your cords. I have a push start car, and so like disinfect that. Your buttons on the radio. When was the last time you guys did that? Comment below. I'm really interested to see when was the last time you guys did that. Probably never. Okay, so next thing is your kitchen appliances, your coffee maker, your toaster handles, all that stuff. The cabinets in your kitchen, you're gonna want to disinfect all the handles on that as well. Now, if you're like me, I have 1,000,000,001 throw pillows on my couch. I have a lot of people that come over, and especially now, if people are coming over, your kids, or you're hanging out by yourself, you just want to disinfect your spray pillows, okay? All right, another common one is your remotes, your TV remotes, remote control cars, anything that has a remote to it. Drones are huge. Anything that has a remote to it, you're gonna want to disinfect right now. Okay, another common one is your countertops. It's pretty silly, but disinfect your countertops, especially like if you're prepping food or whatever the case is, you just want your countertops clean. The next one is going to be carpets. And I'm not thinking like just a regular living room carpet, I'm thinking your throw rug carpets. So a lot of times people like have throw rugs, right? And you're hanging out and everybody's like hanging out on the rug, well, or like laying down, you know. When was the last time you like laid on the rug next to a fire? Maybe never, I don't know. But disinfect that area, disinfect all that stuff, because otherwise all these germs are just hanging out there. All right, so the next one seems pretty common sense, but I wonder if you guys have ever done it. Handbags, your book bags, your gym bags, your laptop bag, your school bags, beach bags. When was the last time you disinfected any of that stuff? Like, the outside is constantly touching things, right? And yeah, when was the last time you disinfected that? Comment below about your handbags, especially for you females. I'm really curious, when was the last time you did that? All right, so this one, did not think about this, but think about how many people touch your mailbox and open your mailbox, right? And you're getting mail. So disinfect your mailbox or your P.O. box, if a lot of people have P.O. boxes. So your mailman is touching it, you're touching it. If so, you don't ever know if someone else is like the UPS guy, the FedEx guy, whatever the case is, disinfect that. That's something I would have never thought to do, but someone was like, hey, you should probably do this. Outlets, just outlets in general, your outlet sockets, your like, if you have those, make sure you don't like shove any like water or anything in there, but just do your outlets. And the last one that I could think of was your pet supplies. So a lot of people have their dog food in container, or their pet toys, or pet brushes, leashes, collars. A lot of the times when your dogs and your pets and animals are bringing stuff in from outside, like, it's dirty and it's gross, and yeah, just disinfect it. So if you have another idea for me to disinfect, please comment below on that. And if you found something useful in this video, or if you learned something new, please give it the like and the subscribe button for more videos from me.